Okay, today we're trying to do something a little different. I'm using a different webcam setup. I'm actually using my phone as the webcam instead of my usual webcam. Let's see how that turns out. But a gentleman left a note on my video about setting up Perplexity as default search engine for Chrome and asked if there's a way to do this in Brave. And since Brave is such a cool browser these days, and a lot of people are using it because of its privacy features, let's go ahead and figure this out. I'm sure it's not any more difficult than other search engines, but let's go ahead and do it. So we go into settings by clicking on the top right and selecting settings, and we get into the Brave settings. We go down to search engine here on the left, and as usual we have a list of search engines, but Perplexity is not one of them. So we immediately go to the very bottom where it says manage search engines, and we see that it's not there either. However, we can add one by clicking on add next to site search, and the name would be Perplexity. The shortcut would be, it doesn't really matter. The main thing is this URL, and the URL would be https://perplexity.ai/ $Q equals %S, doesn't sound. And then we click on add. And now we have Perplexity in the list here. We just click on the pull down next to it and select it as default. And I believe that's all we need to do. I don't think there's any kind of save or anything. It automatically saves. So now we simply go to some website. Let's go to csworks.com, and the site comes up, and let's search for where is productive computer systems located. Let's see what it does. And as you can see, it comes immediately with the answer from Perplexity, and great. That is exactly what I wanted to see. So this is how you do it in Brave. Hope it helps. Take care.